In difficult market environments, what should investors focus on?
One of the issues we face during crises is what we, as long-term investors, think should matter most, in fact, does not matter at all. We are talking about valuation, or what we believe the value of an investment should be. In reality, most buy and sell decisions these days are being made by investors not based on company fundamentals, such as future cash flow and profitability, but based on trying to quantify the unknown and the unknowable. What do we mean? Well, for example, nobody, not epidemiologists, not government officials, not economists, and certainly not market strategists, can say how large an impact the coronavirus will end up having. No investor, big or small, passive or active, has any better insight as to how this virus will play out. The optimist might be wrong, so might the pessimist. Under this scenario, most investors rely and make investment decisions based on the hour-by-hour and day-to-day headlines, which is a very dangerous thing to do. Dangerous because emotions tend to get in the way of logic, and fear gets in the way of discipline. In short, we can't control the coronavirus. We can't control our own behavior. Unfortunately, most people get fixated on the next 6 months, not the next 3 years. We focus on the fundamentals of a company, which will help us derive the value of a business and what it should be. For our clients, we suggest you focus on working with your client portfolio manager on having a proper financial plan and ensuring your asset allocation is aligned with your long-term goals. This way, you have a clear roadmap to your destination and you don't deviate from the journey during market downturns.
How does an investor focus on what's within their control?
Focusing on what you can control doesn't mean just shrugging off whatever is out of your power. It means putting calm and serious thought into what is within your power. For us, it is that we will steadfastly and obsessively stay disciplined to our investment process and philosophy, irrespective of the noise that the hour-by-hour and day-to-day headlines bring. Our investment philosophy has 3 pillars: seeking the truth, thinking differently, and being risk-minded. Seeking the truth means cutting through the noise and remaining focused on the underlying fundamentals of our investments. Thinking different is knowing that the road to success is through unconventional, uncomfortable thinking. It inspires the willingness to be different. Being risk-minded is ensuring that investment weightings in our portfolios are positioned in a manner that is commensurate with its risk-reward profile. For us, it is about being disciplined in executing on our investment philosophy, not wavering when times get difficult, to be resilient and not knee-jerk reacting to human emotion, but properly analyze and invest in companies, especially in environments like these, when others are so fearful. In this outlook, we will share how we've navigated this environment through balance sheet analysis for survivability, high-grading our portfolios, and utilizing barbell strategies to mitigate risk.